Meditation is often described as the art of being present, a tool to connect with your inner self, and a doorway to a peaceful and more mindful life. For beginners, meditation might seem like an elusive or overly complex practice. You might wonder, where do I start? Am I doing it right? The truth is, meditation is simple, natural, and accessible to everyone. It's not about perfection. It's about practice and presence. This guide is your gateway to understanding meditation, how to get started, and how to integrate it into your daily life. Why meditate? Understanding the benefits. Before diving into the how, let's explore the why. Meditation is not just about sitting still. It's a practice that nourishes your mind, body, and soul. Here are some transformative benefits of meditation. 1. Reduced stress and anxiety. Meditation helps calm the storm of thoughts, reducing stress and anxiety levels by promoting relaxation. 2. Improved focus and clarity. Regular meditation strengthens your ability to focus and enhances mental clarity. 3. Better emotional health. It fosters emotional resilience, helping you manage negative emotions like anger or sadness more effectively. 4. Enhanced self-awareness. Meditation encourages self-reflection, helping you understand yourself on a deeper level. 5. Improved sleep. Many find meditation to be a powerful way to combat insomnia and improve the quality of their sleep. 6. Increased compassion and gratitude. Meditation nurtures kindness and gratitude, making it easier to connect with others and appreciate life. No matter your goals, whether it's to find calm, grow spiritually, or improve your health, meditation can support you on your journey. Preparing to meditate, setting the stage. A strong foundation is key to building a lasting meditation practice. Here's how to set yourself up for success. 1. Create a dedicated space. Choose a quiet, comfortable spot where you won't be disturbed. It could be a corner of your room, a spot by the window, or even a space outdoors. Adding cushions, soft lighting, or calming scents like lavender can make the space inviting. 2. Set a time. Consistency is essential. Set aside a specific time each day for meditation, whether it's in the morning to start your day with focus or in the evening to unwind. Start with just 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase as you grow more comfortable. 3. Wear comfortable clothing. Tight or restrictive clothing can be distracting. Opt for loose, comfortable attire that lets you relax fully. 4. Embrace an open mind. Meditation is a journey, not a destination. Let go of expectations and be kind to yourself, especially if your mind feels restless at first. Step-by-step guide to meditation for beginners. Here's a simple process to get started with meditation. Step 1. Find a comfortable position. Sit down in a way that feels natural and stable. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, on a cushion, or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Keep your back straight but not stiff. This helps you stay alert while remaining relaxed. Step 2. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. If you're comfortable, close your eyes to minimize distractions. Alternatively, you can keep your eyes open with a soft, unfocused gaze. Step 3. Take a few deep breaths. Begin with a few deep breaths to signal to your body and mind that it's time to relax. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Step 4. Focus on your breath. Let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Pay attention to the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest or the coolness of air passing through your nostrils. Step 5. Acknowledge wandering thoughts. It's natural for your mind to wander. When this happens, Gently guide your focus back to your breath without judgment. Think of your mind like a puppy learning to sit. It will wander, and that's okay. Step 6. End with gratitude. After meditating, take a moment to appreciate yourself for making time for this practice. Open your eyes slowly, stretch, and transition gently back to your day. Types of meditation to explore. Meditation comes in many forms, and you can experiment to find what resonates with you. 1. Mindfulness meditation. Focus on the present moment without judgment. Simply observe your thoughts, feelings, and sensations. 2. Loving kindness meditation, metta. Cultivate compassion by silently repeating phrases like, "May I be happy," "May I be healthy," "May I live with ease." Expand these wishes to others as you practice. 3. Body scan meditation. Bring awareness to different parts of your body, releasing tension and promoting relaxation. 4. Guided meditation. Follow an audio or video guide that walks you through the meditation process, often with calming music or imagery. 5. Mantra meditation. Repeat a word or phrase, like peace or Om, to focus your mind and center your thoughts. 6. Movement meditation. Practices like yoga, tai chi, or walking meditation combine mindfulness with gentle movement. Overcoming common challenges. Meditation is simple, but it's not always easy. Here are some common obstacles and tips to overcome them. 1. Restlessness. If you find it hard to sit still, start with shorter sessions and gradually increase the duration. Remember, movement-based meditation can be a great alternative. 2. Wandering thoughts. It's normal. Each time you notice your mind wandering, gently guide it back to your breath or chosen point of focus. 3. Doubt or frustration. Meditation is a skill that takes time to develop. Trust the process and celebrate small victories, like feeling a moment of calm or clarity. 4. Lack of time. Even a few minutes a day can make a difference. Try meditating during breaks or before bed to build consistency. Incorporating meditation into daily life. Meditation doesn't have to be limited to formal practice. Here are ways to bring mindfulness into your everyday activities. Mindful eating. Savor each bite of your meal, paying attention to taste, texture, and aroma. Mindful walking. Feel the sensation of your feet touching the ground with each step. Mindful listening. Give full attention to conversations, truly hearing what others are saying without planning your response. Staying motivated. Making meditation a habit. Here are strategies to help you stay committed to your meditation journey. Start small. Begin with just 2 to 5 minutes daily and build up over time. Track your progress. Use a journal or meditation app to log your sessions and reflect on your experience. Find a community. Join a meditation group or class for support and inspiration. Remind yourself of your why. Reflect on the benefits you're seeking and the positive changes you've already noticed. A message to beginners. Remember, meditation is not about achieving a perfect state of mind. It's about showing up for yourself, even on days when it feels challenging. Each moment you spend meditating is a step toward greater peace, clarity, and self-awareness. So take a deep breath, find a quiet spot, and begin. Your journey to inner peace starts now.